Well, Big Kush back out with another vid. Got a new cast iron skillet. Ooh. There she is. Okay, now I need to wash in soapy water and then season. Okay, you only do this the very first time you get your thing home. You get some soapy water and you wash it out. So let me get it washed out and then we're going to season it. Okay, so now I'm going to season my pan. And this particular pan, it's pretty well. I'm just going to cook in it. I'm really not going to try to oven season it. So I'm going to stovetop season it and just get it ready for cooking. So we do about 3 to 5 minutes. We want to get it up to 250 degrees and then we can start putting oil on it. Okay, we got our temp where we want it. We'll turn this down. At this point we're going to just add a teaspoon of oil and fortunately this pan stays a little cooler on the handle. You can actually touch the handle. So we're going to get this and we're just going to coat it up in here real good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. So let me do this side and then... Okay, now that I've got oil on both sides, the big trick now is to rub it off. So rub off as much as you can, which is like all of it. And then what's remaining in there we'll heat it up till it smokes. That'll be the next thing. I'll wipe it totally down and then I'm going to heat it up. Okay, so we've got it wiped down with oil, top and bottom. So now we sort of crank the heat up until it smokes and then we let it cool off. So that's it. This particular pan, that's how you season them. The Finex. So throw in a little more seasoning on them. Get them right to where they smoke, and then I can shut them down. Two to three times what you want on the first initial use. We're at 2 now. All right, so there's the new Finex pan, all seasoned up and ready for war. Be putting a steak or two in here, potatoes, onions, you name it. Finex, number 12.